Year 1 are learning about ancient Egyptians, and to make the topic come alive, we've had a workshop come in. We had children who'd made their costumes, they've got eyeliner on, and they are living a day in the life of an ancient Egyptian.
We're doing a workshop.
Yeah.
Because we were learning about
Egypt.
We had a weapon and a shield.
And then if you got hit, then you had to lay on the floor.
Pretending that you were dead.
They work together as a team and they create the amazing pyramid. They're making the blocks, they're ferrying them across the River Nile, and at the end they will have a great parade where the sarcophagus enters into the tomb. Learning in an interactive way makes such a difference to the children's understanding.